In this video we are going to check out the best 5 TORQ wrenches. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion. Best of 5. Inco Adjustable Click TORQ Wrench. Features reversible motion, lock and unlock adjustment, allowed click indicates selected TORQ value. Heat-treated, chrome vanadium steel construction for extreme durability and shock resistance. Precision calibration helps avoid breaking or over-tightening bolts. Lengthy 14-inch. Handle makes it easy to loosen tough bolts at high TORQ settings. ABS custom-fitted storage case included for safe, convenient storage. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Pittsburgh ProDrive Click Stop Torque. Utilizing a heavy-duty cam and pawl mechanism. Torque range, 20 to 150 feet, pounds reversible. Wrench length, 18-inch. Shipping weight, 3.15 pounds. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. CDI Adjustable Micrometer TORQ Wrench. TORQ range 10 to 100 foot-pounds. Dual scale, calibrated dual direction. Positive lock with spring-loaded pull-down lock ring. Fast, accurate and easy to set. Easy to read laser-marked single scale. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Tikton Adjustable Click TORQ Wrench. Length, 26 inches, width, 3 inches, height, 2.5 inches. High contrast dual range scale is easy to read, even in low light. Reversible ratchet head drives in both directions and measures TORQ in clockwise direction. Durable all-steel construction has no plastic parts to break or wear out. Ships pre-calibrated to 4% accuracy and ready to use. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Precision Split Beam TORQ Wrench. Nickel chrome finish with ergonomic grip. Tool does not have to be turned down after use, providing convenience. TORQ setting locks on adjustable wrenches for repetitive applications. Adjustment knob eliminates spring tension, so setting TORQ on adjustable wrenches is fast and easy. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.